fan hems. Whenever you're pinning the pants, please fold outside. Pin the first pin straight through, and then the second pin 90 degrees to that to lock it in so that the pins don't fall out. I also need to mention the different styles. First of all, you've got maximum length style that's all the way to the ground. And normally they have to wear the shoes for that. But if they don't have the shoes on, you have to pin it so it's just above the ground when they're walking. Then you've got no showing sock length, which is a little bit higher. Normally it's another inch to half an inch higher. So where that fall length is will depend on the bunching on the front of the shoe. And then the final length you've got is you're going to get some of the wedding parties that don't want to have any bagging or creasing on the front of the pants. That's also the last style, and that's a maximum height that you should come up. They will show socks for that style, and you have to get them to agree to that style as well.